So welcome guys to how to write a report. Because this is Science Week and we already have our friend Timmy the Turtle with us, I thought we could combine the two and do a report on Timmy the Turtle. You're not doing the report. This is the example of a report. You will get to choose another animal of the ocean, and I'll talk to you about that in just a minute. I want you to look at how the report is set out. Up the top here, she's got her name. So Sarah S. has done this report. The report is called Animal Research. And the name of the animal that Sarah has researched is turtle. Or you can write the turtle. And research means you are looking up facts, things that are true. They are not made up. You're looking up facts about your turtle. Picture of animals. So Sarah has put a picture of the turtle in there. And now she's broken things down into sections. Where does this animal live? So in this section here, she will talk about where we can find turtles in the world. In this section here, she talks about what the turtle looks like. That's called its appearance. How does the turtle appear to us? In the round circle here, she talks about the food. What do turtles like to eat? And then at the bottom, she found a couple of more facts that she found interesting. So she included those two facts at the bottom there. So let's go back up. These are the features of an information report. You'll have your name, the title, we'll stick to animal research, the animal name. You will not be doing a turtle because the turtle is here as an example. You can put a picture of your chosen animal in there. Where does this animal live? So you ask the question and then you give the answer. Turtles live everywhere on Earth. The desert turtle lives in hot, dry deserts. Sea turtles live in the ocean. So our Timmy is from the ocean. How big is this animal and what does it look like? So she's described the turtle's appearance. Turtles have hard, round shells. Turtles have webbed feet and flippers to swim. If you notice, she doesn't have a whole lot of sentences, just 2 or 3 is fine. The circle, she's got what the turtle likes to eat. Turtles like bugs, plants, snails, small fish, and worms. Okay? And then she's finished it off with 2 interesting facts. So she's got interesting fact number 1. Turtles can hide their body inside their shell for protection. Interesting fact number 2. The leatherback turtle can weigh up to 2,000 pounds. That is an awful lot. And that is called an information report. We have got lots of information about the turtle. We know where the turtle lives and where it's found on Earth. We know what it looks like and we know what it eats. That's the basic things we want to know. Okay? And then this is your blank one. So you will find this in another section on Seesaw. This is what you need to pull up and print out. Mum or Dad need to print it out for you. You're going to choose an animal of the ocean. Okay, you should have watched Jack Hartman and the other video that I can't remember the name of right now. From there, I want you to choose an animal of the ocean. So that could be the things that Jack Hartman sang about. Could mean a whale or an eel or a crab or a stingray or a starfish or an otter, or a shark, or a seal. There's more too. But you think about the one that you want to find out about, and this is the plan. You will write your name, the name of the animal you've chosen, find a picture and paste it in there or draw it in there. Where does the animal live? If it lives in 3 different places, you will list the 3 different places. If it lives in one place only, then you just write the one place only, but research carefully. What does the animal look like? How big is this animal? And what does the animal like to eat? And then if you've got some other interesting facts that don't fit these boxes, you add them at the bottom. Interesting fact number 1. Why are turtles green? Don't know. Interesting fact number 2. And you write your question there. So these are for questions. All right, so I will make sure that I've uploaded that to Seesaw. But this is your plan. This is your plan for your animal of the ocean. And then on Wednesday, you're going to fill out this plan on your chosen animal. And on Thursday, you get to write up your plan properly, because this is just a plan. We can't have a plan as a report. A report starts off as a plan, like everything in the world does. You have to have a plan. Okay, so you can't do the turtle because, yes, Timmy, sort of, and we can't have the information again. So think very carefully about which animal you choose. Okay, and then we fill this in. We can finish it on Wednesday as well. That's fine. All right, thank you guys.